morning, this is Shomshikha presenting before you today's bulletin. First, the national news. Addressing the nation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio, he stressed the importance of Atmanirbhar Bharat for all-round growth and development of the nation. He said, Indians, especially the generation next, that has a lot to offer in terms of innovation and solutions, that we should harness this potential for a better tomorrow. The Prime Minister called upon young talent in the country to make computer games in India and based on India. Prime Minister urged startups to team up and manufacture toys to make India a hub for toy production. Along with that, he emphasized the need to promote local toys and said it is time to go vocal for the local toys. India's COVID-19 recoveries have sprinted past 27 lakh, taking the recovery rate to 76.61%, while the case fatality rate has further dropped to 1.79%, Health Minister said on Sunday. It also highlighted that active cases of the infection comprises only 21.60% for the total casehold. Supreme Court Judge Justice Arun Mishra turns down Supreme Court Bar Association invite for a farewell function to be organized ahead of his retirement on 2nd September. Justice Mishra says, my conscience doesn't permit me to participate any farewell function due to COVID-19 pandemic. The Shuri Muharram was observed with due reverence and solemnity in various parts of the country on Sunday. The day marks the martyrdom of Prophet Muhammad's grandson Hazrat Imam Hussain and his companions who laid down their lives by upholding truth, righteousness and justice in Karbala. Now the sports news. The 13th edition of the Indian Premier League 2020 has already become a very unique IPL and will create global benchmark according to Disney Star India's chairman Vidya Shankar. He said he also predicts that IPL 2020 will deliver 550 minimum audience in India alone. Vidya Shankar, who is the chairman at Star India and the man working to bring the Indian Premier League's 13th edition to viewers in India and across the world, says even before a single ball has been bowled, this has already become the most unique IPL. Albert Roca has left Hyderabad FC to join the support staff at FC Barcelona, but will help the club in finding an adequate replacement. Now the news from Northeast. A total of 19 villages in Meghalaya has been declared as the epicenters of African swine fever after a large number of pigs died on it in the state. The Meghalaya government has imposed restriction on the movement of people and pigs from these villages spread across East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, East Jaintia Hills and West Jaintia Hills district. Meanwhile, the district veterinary officers and rapid response teams will take steps in their respective areas to make everyone in and around the infected zones aware of the restriction in force. Two incidents of mob attack within the period of 48 hours have rocked northeast India's Assam, while Savin Gaur was killed after a family feud turned violent in central Assam's Vishwanath. Madannath is recovery from a brutal beating by locals in Assam's Bongaigaon, who thought they caught him trying to steal from a home. Now the regional news. It was like a hurricane tour of the three districts of Kachar, Karimganj and Hailakandi by Minister of State for Health Piyush Hazarika, but it was significant in more than one way. There have been no political strings attached with his visit, which concluded on 28 August. If his visit a month ago here was more criticized than appreciated, with lots of question from the opposition after the sincerity of his assurance on improving health infrastructure and medical services, this time the minister looked quite confident on Asia and Taliban. A non-governmental organization, Rising Youth Society, cremated 44 plus COVID dead bodies fully voluntarily at Cachar with the help of Cachar District Administration. By the team Rising Youth Society cremation centers starting from Dima Hasao border, Harinagar, Silchar, Shamshan Ghat and in many other centers, they took the initiative for cremating the corona positive dead body. After the God savior of patient is doctor. Until now, in Cachar, 92 doctors tested positive while treating patient. Many of them came back to their duty after recovery. Many are specialists along with some junior doctors. After an immense criticism from the patient, they said, "We take the criticism in our stride. We deal with high emotions. Someone who lost his father will definitely have an outburst and we are used to it," said a senior doctor who wished not to be named. That's all for today's bulletin. Have a nice day. Thank you.